Hello friends, welcome to my channel AK Mechanical Lectures. Today I brought a new lecture on planer machine. Before starting lecture, I request you all to please like, share and subscribe my channel. Today I am going to cover the definition of planer machine, then the description of figure, what are its parts and the working principle of planer machine. First, the definition of planer machine. So planer machine is that type of machine where we are producing the flat surface and cutting slots in the workpiece. It is similar to shaper machine, but the main difference is that in shaper machine the tool is movable and workpiece is stationary, but in planer machine the workpiece is movable and tool is stationary. The second difference is that the planer machine is larger as compared to shaper machine. Here the tool used is single point cutting tool. Now coming to figure, here we can see that in the bottom portion this is the bed, and above that there is table. On this table the workpiece is being held. After that, this is this two is the vertical column, and on this both vertical column the cross rail is situated, and in between that this is the tool post where tool is being situated. Now we are going to see the details of all the parts. First, the weight. Here we can see that weight is rigid parts of machine on which all the parts are carried. This is very large in size and heavy weight. Means weight जो होता है सबसे rigid part होता है machine का, and on that all the parts of planer machine is being situated, and it is larger in size and weight is also heavy. Now second part is column. Column in second column is also known as housing. Housing is nothing but a vertical column, and it is situated at the both sides of weight, and it is attached with the help of pulley and gear. Third one is table. Table is situated above the weight, and on the table the workpiece is hold, where the table is moving from left to right and from right to left on the V rail of the which is on the bed. And next part is cross rail. In the cross rail the tool holders are attached where we can fix the tool for operation. Means in cross rail the tool holder जो होता है वो अटैच रहता है जहाँ पे हम टूल को फिक्स करते हैं, और उसकी वजह से वो क्या होता है ऑपरेट करता है. और क्रॉस रेल जो होता है ये दोनों कॉलम के बीच दोनों कॉलम से कनेक्टेड रहता है. And third one, last one is tool head, where we are and in the tool head the tools are fixed. The tools used is single point cutting tool. Now next one is what is the working principle of planer machine. In the shaper machine there we have seen that the shaper machine works on the principle of quick return motion mechanism, where there are two stroke. One is forward stroke and second one is return stroke. In the forward stroke the cutting operation is being done, and in the return stroke the tool comes to its original position. But in the planer machine the tool is being fixed and workpiece will be movable to and fro, means forward and backward. Means when the workpiece will move left to right, then the cutting operation will be done. That stroke is called as forward stroke. But when the workpiece will move right to left, then that is called return stroke, and in return stroke no cutting operation is being done. This principle is called as quick return motion mechanism. Now how the planer machine works. Already I have told that the tool head is stationary in the planer machine and workpiece is movable. In the tool head section we are fixing the single point cutting tool, and at the work table we are fixing the workpiece. When the supply is being on, then the work table will move forward, and with the help of cutting tool the cutting operation is being done. but when after performing the cutting operation, the work table will move to leftward and comes to its original position, and in this stroke there is no cutting of material. uh, Now next one, what are the application of planer machine? In the planer machine we can produce a flat surface, and also we can perform the cutting operation at particular angle, and we can also fix the depth of cut in the planer machine by moving the cross rail up and down. Means how much depth we can cut, that is being controlled by the movement of the cross rail. And next one is the planer machine can also remove a good amount of material from the workpiece at a time with good accuracy, because here the multiple tools are fitted. Means in the planer machine we can also fix the multiple tools for multiple operation. That is the application of planer machine. And lastly I want to tell you all that please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.